I think our perspective is that we want to put the human at the center of this, right? We want to ensure that the solutions and, it's not the shiny object, blunt force on any problem or situation. We want to make sure that it's really unlocking value and augmenting that human experience. And I do think it's going to change the way we operate. I think it's going to improve not only the experience of, the business users. I also think it's going to just generally improve the employee experience. I think if you think about like in the consumer world outside of work, right, you have a much different experience typically than when you come into work and maybe you're working on legacy platforms or you're working on these huge monolithic, right, applications and disconnectedness and things like that. And I think this technology has the opportunity to really not only uplift the value proposition, but also the experience of work itself for employees. And I think that's something we really want to focus on as we go through this, is kind of telling that story too, is, whether you're a developer or you're an engineer, right, or you're a trader, sitting on the trade floor, how is this also making your employee experience better?